Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Charlie Tango 1074. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a little unboxing and a little on-air test of the new CRT Space-U. Now this is a very tiny little micro UHF radio. Now there are two versions of this. We've got the CRT Space-U here, but we also have the CRT Space-V, which is specifically for VHF, obviously represented by the end letter. Now around me, where I live down here in East Sussex, the majority of the repeaters here are all 70 centimetres, and I predominantly use 70 centimetres, so this is an ideal little radio just to put in the cart because it is so small. I'll just give you a few specs before we open the box. This covers, as you'll see from the box, it covers 400 to 470 megahertz. Maximum output power 17 watts. The medium power setting gives 10 and the low power setting of 5. So let's crack on and get inside. We have the usual rubbish that you normally get. You get the obligatory bracket, microphone mount and everything, and screws and thumb screws. There's not much in the box. So you get the standard CRT microphone, and on the end of the power lead you get a nice fused lighter plug. Trying to get that in shot, sorry. So yeah, it is the same radio as the Albrecht AE6110. So very small profile radio indeed, as you will see. Not really much to say about it. I've quickly set up my 70 centimetre beam, and I've currently got it pointing towards the town of Worthing. So let's see how clear we receive the repeater back through the radio. So I'll quickly send a blank key. Okay, right, I'm going to do a quick on-air test. Now I have a friend of mine who is standing by on the side, and we are going to see how this sounds. So I'm just going to give him a little call. M0HBJ from M7MMC, you on here, Steve?
0HBJ returning. Good morning, Michael. No, it's afternoon. You alright there, mate?
Yeah, all good, Steve, thank you very much. Hope all is well. I'm just trying out this little radio, just seeing how it sounds. It's the little CRT Space-U. So I've just programmed a few frequencies in and just seeing how it is sounding to you. M7MMC returning.
M0HBJ returning. Yeah, it's pretty quietening into the box, and SQ5 audio. There's a little bit of shushing, but I think that's coming through the box, not you. But yeah, no, it sounds alright, mate. Very nice from M0HBJ.
Thank you very much for the audio check there. It's most appreciated. So M7MMC returning.
0HBJ. Okay, mate. Hey, cheers and beers. Nice to catch up with you, Michael. I know we'll catch you further down somewhere. Cheers and beers, mate. Charlie-go.
Now, before I do end the video, I do have to touch upon something that I know that I'm going to get asked, and that is, can this radio work with PMR? Yes, it can. Now, what you must remember is this radio is not legal to use on the PMR frequencies. The legalities really surrounding PMR, two of the main, are that the radio should only have a fixed antenna and your power output, you are only permitted to use half a watt, so that's 500 milliwatts. PMR was never really meant for long distance DX, although it's possible when conditions allow. It's down to you. You know, if you want to buy this radio and use it for PMR, then so be it. There are consequences if there are any problems that could arise or interference to other bands. But you could find yourself in a little bit of hot water, but I just had to clear that up. So that has been my video on the CRT Space-U. Like I said previously in the video, you can get the Space V for use on VHF, but it's all down to what you want to use it for. But anyway, there we go. I'm going to end the video there. I just thought this would be of some interest or use to you, and just to show off a tidy, nice little radio. If this video was of any interest to you, give me a little thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and I do appreciate all the comments and likes. So until the next video, everyone, this is Charlie Tango 1074, and I will see you in the next video. So 7-3 for now.